Recently, I've received several inquiries from members who've been interested in using their own fonts in the books they create using our tools. I'm Cindy Manier from Aduda Book Creator, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to effectively use our font manager, a tool that has been available for some time, but may not have been fully explored by all of our members. Join me as I walk you through its various functionalities and enhance your book creating experience. To get to the font manager, click on Account Fonts. From this page, you can add and delete your fonts. You can also get a preview of text using each one of your fonts. To add a font, all you do is you drag and drop your font files into this window. These files can be either .ttf or .otf files. And you'll see that it's added that into your list here. So I added 3 new fonts, and I can now see what the text looks like for each one of the fonts. And now this font is available in every one of the tools where you can set a font. For example, if we go to the .grid tool and we go to title and prompt settings, all of those fonts appear here now. So you can use it for your text in any one of the PDFs you generate with any one of our tools. If for some reason you decide you don't want a particular font anymore, all you do is click on the trash can. You'll get a confirmation, click OK, and now the font's gone. So as you can see, you can very easily add any font you want to use for any one of your books that you're creating with Aduda Book Creator. You can also delete any one of your fonts if you decide you don't want them. And once you add them, you can use them in any one of our tools. And there you have it, a way to upload your own fonts to use in books you create on Aduda Book Creator. I hope you found this information helpful and are now equipped with the knowledge to utilize your own fonts in the books you create. If you have any questions about how to use this tool, please feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.